Oops. What's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name's Jackson. In this video, I'm gonna go through the unboxing of my Pixel 6 that I just got. I used this card, I bought this phone with the Chase Sapphire preferred card so I could hit some of the minimum spend required. I'm still rocking the Pixel 3 XL. This is about almost 4 years old now, so I'm pretty excited to actually unbox this. So let's get started. I just got this today. It took a few days to ship. And there is the phone. Go ahead and take this off. It does look pretty cool. It feels about the same size as my Pixel 3. I will say that I think this one is a little bit bigger, but nonetheless, still pretty good. Taking a look at some of the other accessories in the box, they do still give you a charger, which is always nice. They don't give you a brick anymore. It's all about the environmental waste. And taking a look at some of the stuff in here. It's just some setup instructions. I know how to set up my phone, blah, blah, blah. Oh, the SIM card remover, that will be important. And then this is just I think this is just a USB, yeah. This is just a USB-C to USB-A adapter. I probably won't be using that. Let's go ahead and turn on the phone and just get a first look at it. Just moving through the user interface and opening different apps, it just really feels very fast. I just really haven't noticed any sort of stuttering. There are a couple apps that just aren't supported with Android 12 yet, but I expect support for those to be coming very soon. And overall, it's just a really great phone. And the Pixel 6 starts at $599. So getting this for $599, and you also get the Pixel AirBuds A, which I sold those. I didn't end up using those. And then also you do get a mail-in rebate for a free pair of Bose 7000 headphones, which I won't be using, but I'll be trying to order and then getting the credit for them and then trying to sell those as well. So effectively, you can get this phone for like $300 if you sell all those for around $300. So I've been playing with this phone for around 24 hours, and here you can see some of the results of the Geekbench score I was able to run. I get around 1100 on the single core and around 2700 on the multi-core score. I did put a screen protector on here and a case from Amazon. Both of these ran me about $10 each. And overall, it's good. My one biggest complaint about it so far is this right here, and that's the fingerprint sensor. This is just not very good. All right, that was the one time it actually worked well. But consistently, it's just, you can see it just doesn't work all the time. You can see it just doesn't recognize it, and there it goes. So I'd probably give it around a 50% success rate. Well, then it works most of the time. I've honestly just been opening it and just immediately going to my passcode. So that's just one thing to consider. One of the coolest features of this phone is the Magic Eraser tool. So I'm going to be using it on this photo here. You can see I have a couple people down here in the background. Those are my cousins. And I just want to remove them from this photo. So I can go here into the Tools feature and then hit the Magic Eraser. And what this will do is it will scan for people and things that it thinks it should be removed. So here you can see there it does recognize two people. And I can go ahead and just click on the Erase All button. And just like that, they disappear. I just think that is really cool. It's such a great feature from Google. I do think it's a little gimmicky, but overall, I mean, I'll be using this. But I really would like to know what your impressions are on the phone so far. Please leave me a comment down below saying if you think this is. Will you be picking up the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro? I opted for the 6 because I just thought the value was better. Once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackson, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.